When I tweeted about this discovery, I got almost 1 million impressions and more than 4,000 bookmarks. Funnily enough, only 100 people shared it. But I know exactly why this happened. They didn't want their competitors to find out about this. I'm sorry for you folks. I can't keep this secret for any longer. Hey friends, glad to have you back on the channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you an unconventional way to create landing pages that increase my conversion rate 300%. And you know the craziest part? It takes even less work than building a regular landing page. So I changed how I launch startups, and building successful startups has now become 10x easier. My old approach. When inspiration struck, I'd immediately start creating a meticulous one-page spec doc, a one-pager. But if I'm being honest, many of those spec docs went nowhere. My Notion is full of dusty one-pagers waiting for their elusive moment to shine. So my new approach, go straight from startup idea to landing page. But I don't create an ordinary landing page. Instead, I implement a new landing page model. 99% of people will tell you this won't work. After all, it goes against everything we've been taught about writing copy on the internet since, well, forever. When I first implemented this model into my unbundling of Reddit guide, lots of my friends made fun of me and said I was crazy. But now we're seeing conversions skyrocket like never before. And the same goes for our other products at Late Checkout. So I know it works. I call them tweet size landing pages, or TSLPs for short. They're basically conversion-focused landing pages with a max 280 characters. Instead of drafting a tweet, you draft a landing page. Most landing pages nowadays are pretty long, and they end up drowning out the core message. But let's be real. People barely have 30 seconds to watch a TikTok now. What makes you think people are gonna break through a wall of copy on a super long landing page? So I'll give you the playbook on how to create your very own tweet-sized landing page so you can cut through the noise. Number 1, mystery. Humans are questioning creatures. We're naturally drawn to mysteries. And when there is mystery, there is curiosity. There is intrigue. And most importantly, there is desire. When you're designing a landing page, you need to make sure that the user needs to find out what's on the other side of that subscribe button. And they need to know now. So you need to find a way to ignite that curiosity in 280 characters or less. Scarcity tactics like limited availability or exclusivity work like a charm, since you can create a sense of urgency and excitement in the reader. Number 2, playfulness. Corporate vibes just don't cut it anymore. People are sick of sales pitches. If you sound greedy or too robotic, people just won't listen. So don't just make your landing page short and digestible. Make it easy, make it fun, and make it quirky. Don't underestimate the power of fun and playfulness when it comes to conversions. You'll be pretty surprised. Number 3, a weird photo of you. If that doesn't make you hit the subscribe button, I don't know what will. I spent $1,500 for a night to stay at a hotel called the Palm Heights Hotel in Grand Cayman, just so I could snap this picture of me sitting on this famous chair. You might be surprised that this works, but it does. A unique picture of you, looking at the camera, being you is a must. Showing your personality boosts conversions like nothing you could believe. And not just your landing page, your brand in general. Number 4, a clear, cool call to action for a free item. We're done with subscribe buttons. We're so used to seeing them nowadays that they just fade into the background. People are allergic to subscribing or signing up to anything. They want to smash the button to get a freebie. They want to dive into a new world. It may sound cheesy, but it'll help you stick out. Pair this with a huge button that contrasts the site's background, and you'll get more clicks. Bonus, use the AIDA framework for ad copy. AIDA stands for attention, interest, desire, action. Attention, grab them in line. Interest, pique curiosity in the next. Desire, show them what they need. Action, a compelling call to action to finish. Attention, imagine this sleek Tesla Model 3 set against the backdrop of New York City. The ad copy, the future has arrived. The interest in AIDA. You show this close-up of the Tesla dashboard showing the autopilot feature. Driving reimagined is the copy. Desire. You see this Tesla Model 3 on this open highway. Who knows, maybe it's Elon Musk driving. Against gridlock traffic, back to back. The ad copy. Stand out, glide ahead. And then action in AIDA. The ad copy. Free test drive 1 mile away. That's the AIDA framework. Influence and convert. Efficiency at its finest. You can even prompt ChatGPT to write copy for you in the AIDA framework. Use this prompt. Pretend you're a top ad copywriter. Write in the AIDA framework with max 280 characters, some ad copy that will convert. You know the best part about tweet-sized landing pages? They are only gonna get more popular with time. Whether it's their product or their content in general, more and more creators are seeing the value of giving away free stuff in exchange for more trust from their audience. So that way, when you do launch that paid product, there's no need to shove it down people's throats. They already know you're worth the investment because you've given them value and value over time through these freebies. And TSLPs are such a great way to give away free items. I encourage you to give it a try. Remember, the biggest innovations in history were people who went against the grain. And this whole TSLP thing, it's a great reminder that when people go left, maybe you should go right. I'll leave the link to the ultimate guide to unbundling of Reddit in the description below so you can see what a TSLP looks like in practice. And you also walk away with a freebie that'll give you ideas on how to build profitable startups. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel right now. Most creators share these growth hacks when they're over, but I promise you'll hear them here first. Just click on the subscribe button below and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.